How does Quietum Plus work? Before using this product, of course, you need to be aware of how exactly it does its job. Basically, the formula uses natural agents that work with the natural processes of your body, rather than introducing a foreign process or ingredients. Though individual results may vary. Quietum Plus Hearing Health Supplement does a number of things to improve your overall ear health. This product improves blood circulation in and around your ears. By doing this, the formula enables blood that is rich with oxygen and nutrients to reach your ears and nourish them. Secondly, the supplement has antioxidants that fight free radical damage and decrease oxidative stress, which is the cause behind hearing loss that occurs with age. Next up, this formula increases the production of earwax or cerumen. Cerumen is necessary for protecting your ears as it prevents bacteria and toxins in the air from entering your ears. In this manner, it reduces the risk of infections and diseases. So, while earwax may seem disgusting to you, its production is necessary, and that is what this formula supports. Quietum Plus ingredients. What makes Quietum Plus supplement different from other products on the market is that it uses the best natural ingredients available for addressing your hearing concerns. As per the manufacturers, each ingredient has been studied in depth for its properties to make sure that no unnecessary ingredient is added. It is for these reasons that this product stands out of the crowd and effectively works to give you results. The composition is mainly made of herbs, vitamins, and minerals as well as antioxidants. All these are naturally occurring and work with the natural processes of your body. Quietum Plus ingredients have been added in the correct amounts to ensure that there is no overdosage or that they're not too little in quantity to be ineffective. As for which ingredients have been added to the formula. Fenugreek. This ingredient in the formula balances your blood pressure levels, as they can also have an impact on your hearing when too high or too low. Donkey. Donkey in the formula improves blood circulation to the ears so that they get the nourishment that they require. Other than this, this ingredient also improves the quality of your blood. Oatgrass. This ingredient in Quietum Plus pills is packed with different kinds of vitamins and antioxidants. Antioxidants in the formula reduce oxidative stress, whereas vitamins such as vitamin C and K prevent hearing loss. Yam. The inclusion of this ingredient in the formula is essential as it contains minerals such as fiber, potassium, and manganese. These three minerals improve your hearing by increasing the useful fluid in your endolymph. Motherwort. Another ingredient that has been added to the formula for supporting your hearing by means of improving blood flow toward the ears. Hops extract. This ingredient has been added for it has anti-inflammatory properties as well as analgesic properties. This means that it can reduce damage by putting an end to inflammation along with eradicating pain. L-tyrosine. L-tyrosine in Quietum Plus pills improves the communication between the brain and the ears by improving nerve cell communication. This helps you hear better as you're able to catch what other people are saying. Pacific kelp. This component of the formula has been added for it reduces the speed of cellular aging. This prevents hearing loss that occurs as you climb up the age ladder. Is Quietum Plus legit and worth buying? So that you can decide whether you should go for this product or not. This supplement has been manufactured in a GMP and FDA certified laboratory in the United States of America. It is available in the form of capsules, which means you can use them easily. It does not have any reported negative side effects that have been linked to its use. Compared to other ways of improving your hearing, this one is not only safer but also more affordable. Where to buy Quietum Plus? Pricing and availability. Get a special discount price today. Click the link below in the description.